Hello, today we're going to be doing Monkey's Got Talent. Here are all our contestants.
And I'm a host too.
Say hello, people. Say hello, people. I'm back. Blue right here. Hello. Is our second host.
Yeah.
At
Say hello, people.
Mason.
I said say hello.
Let's see if hello.
All right, so yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, golden.
Yippee!
Monkey. Yeah. My name's Dallas.
Okay. And also a YouTube channel. Well, a YouTube channel if you have one.
I used to have one, but I don't have it anymore.
Okay. All right.
What is your
Okay.
talent? What is your talent?
Get back.
My talent is I would think singing.
All right, so go sing us a song.
Can I do one that I made up?
Sure.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
we'll rate how much we like it. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Hang on, give me a second. Hang on.
3, spotlight. Who do you wanna be? Is it someone just like me? Ooh, they like me. Who do you wanna be? Is it someone just like me? Ooh, they like know. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Give it a 4. I'll give it a 4.
All right, I'm gonna give it. Wait, go back up there. We gotta give your scores. All right, so I'm gonna give that a 9. That's actually really good. Yippee!
What is your name, talent, and YouTube channel for that? It's my mom.
What?
It's my mom.
I can't hear you. You're cutting out.
Just
talk.
Stop.
Yeah, just do your talent. Bro, go. Yippee! Your names, talent, and YouTube channels if you have one. If you have them. Sit down.
It's the same thing as my YouTube channel right,
Alright.
here. I'm gonna be singing Happy Birthday with gonna do the music. Yeah.
Alright. Yep. Alright, so, yeah.
My name is Ella, by the way.
Okay.
I do have a YouTube channel, but I still haven't posted anything.
Okay. Go.
Happy birthday to you.
That's pretty good. Okay, so it's the end of the video, and this is my second long form video. So let me know if I should do more or 6 shorts. Also, here are the scores somewhere up there. But, well, yeah.